Well, good morning, guys, and welcome to the show, Fernando.
Welcome to the show, guys.
Today we're starting a multi-part series where we are going to look at problems with the audio stream, what's happening here, and how the Kicker Keyloc is going to deal with them. Stay tuned. Today we'll be looking at a combination of the last three videos. The first video we had high-pass filtering screwing up our world. The second video we had equalization, just like, oh, okay, cool. And then on the third video we had an all-pass filter that was messing everything up for us because we want to do a full time delay and all that other fun stuff. This is everything. And so now we're gonna let the Keyloc chew this up and see what it spits out. When setting up your Keyloc, make sure to head over to kicker.com and download the test tracks you'll need in order to set this up. First one you want to play is Gain Match. Press and hold the button on the side until you see it sweep to the right, and then it'll sweep back to the left. Once done, start turning up your input until you see lights 3 and 4 come on. When they're on, start backing it down until they go away, and then wait. Let it run a couple more times. And there we have it. Next up, we're gonna play is Noise Floor. Once you start Noise Floor, press the button again on the side. You'll see LED 1 start to blink. We want LED 2. When it does, we're gonna play the full test. This could take anywhere between 10 to 20 minutes for the de-equalization process to happen. It's blinking, full test away. We'll do a nice time lapse here so that we can get to the end. And when you see the ping pong back and forth, you know that it is done. Simply press the button on the side. If you'd like to know what these 4 LEDs mean, you can head over to kicker.com and there you can download the full instruction manual. Now is time for the big reveal. This is what is coming from our factory radio and or amplifier. Let's remove our signal input and plug in our RCA input. We will turn on left. Oh, look at that. And we will turn on right. And there we go. The high pass filtering is gone. The all pass filter is missing. Whatever we had going on over here is no longer there. This is a perfectly clean signal that we can now run into whatever we want to do. Amplifiers, processors. This is as good as it gets. And that was all done on the Kicker Keyloc. What do you think, Fernando?
What are you waiting for? You should go get yourself a Keyloc.
Well, definitely. If you're thinking about upgrading your stereo and you need a high level to low level adapter, and this makes sense to you, then there's really no decision. Head over to kicker.com, find a dealer near you, and that's it. That's the whole series, guys. We hope you enjoyed this. Fernando?
On to the next one, guys.
Thank you so much for watching this series. We hope you enjoyed it. We hope you found this useful, and if you're thinking about upgrading your stereo, definitely check out the Kicker Keyloc. Until then, have a great night as always, guys.
Bye.
And if you're interested in picking yourself up an IRTA2 so that you too can see what your signal looks like coming from your stereo, head over to DNF Tool Drawer and click the link and pick one of these up. Thank you so much.